Yes, students. Today we are going to learn is about the sales list generation using LinkedIn. So let us discuss about the introduction part of the uh, sales list generation using LinkedIn. Earlier we have discussed about the what is LinkedIn, then importance of LinkedIn, and also the LinkedIn strategy. So let us discuss about the sales list generation using LinkedIn. It is becoming increasingly important in the age of social media to leverage a social professional network like LinkedIn to drive one's own sales leads. So to drive or to motivate our own sales leads, we are required to use social media nowadays. It is an age of social media which is very much uh, important role played by the social media. Today, marketing drives only 30% of the total sales leads. So whatever total sales leads are generated through marketing, we can only drive up to 30%, and that is why we are required to make our own solutions to generate more sales leads. So to be successful, sales managers need to have their own lead generation solution to have their own lead generation solutions to achieve their sales goals. So to achieve our sales goals, we are required to generate our own solutions for the for lead generation. So traditional lead generation methods are long drawn processes of prospecting and cold calling. This was limiting sales professionals to efficiently search for high quality sales leads. So nowadays traditional search methods are not what we can say become successful to get high quality sales leads. But LinkedIn helps users to bridge this gap. So LinkedIn is one of the best way, or what we can say solution, through which we can able to generate the more sales lead. So why use the LinkedIn for sales lead generation? In sales lead generations, one can use the LinkedIn's advanced search and the filtering system to quickly identify influencers and decision makers and create high quality lead lists. So we can able to create the high quality lead list with the use of LinkedIn because because of its unique feature, that is advanced search and filtering system is available in LinkedIn, and that is why we can able to find out that who are the influencers and the decision makers, so that we can get the what we can say quality leads. LinkedIn sales navigators can also be your lead generation solutions with following features. So there are a number of LinkedIn sales navigators are there, which can which have following features, and that is why we can able to generate more lead with the use of them. So let us discuss which are the different features. First one is advanced search with lead builder. With the use of a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we can able to find that we can able to use custom criteria to build sales lead list. We can this is one of the what we can say feature, that is advanced search with lead builder. It means we can able to make the advanced search through which we can find out that who is the person who is lead builder, like this. Then second feature is lead recommendations. Get recommendations on who are the influencers and decision makers. So with the use of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we can able to get the recommendations from the persons that who are the influencers and the decision makers. So accordingly, we can set our marketing strategy. The next is team link. See who within your company is connected to your prospects for warm introduction. So with the use of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, we can get the detail about the person who is there within our organization to whom our prospective customers introduce warmly. It means that they can feel better to talk with that particular person, and that particular person we can find with the use of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. The next is extended network access. This is also one of the feature which is there under the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, that is unlimited searches in your extended network. So they can search for unlimited searches. Particularly we can say here extended network access is first degree, second degree and third degree network. So first degree network includes those people who are connected with us because of they invited us and we joined to them, or because of we invited them and they joined to us. While the second degree networks are the persons who are recommended by the first degree network, and third degree network are the persons or include the members who are recommended by the second degree network members. So I think you have got clear concept about the first, second and third degree network, and how we can able to access this extended network with the use of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So this is what all about the sales leads generation using LinkedIn. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic. It is the content strategy. So what should be the content strategy at the time of using the LinkedIn as a platform for our marketing strategy or for our digital marketing? Being a professional social network site, the content strategies for LinkedIn are different from other social networks. So it includes this different strategy. First one is the most in demand content is industry insights. So under the particular we can say LinkedIn, according to Buffer app, industry insight is one of the most in demand content among the LinkedIn members. So LinkedIn members demand for the industry insight. It means that they demand the content that includes details about the industry. That includes the latest news about the or latest information about the industry. Industry and company insights should compose a significant amount of the posted content, and the overall content plan should feel relevant and actionable to the brand's followers. Some call to action like download report, click for more details, etc. helps in engaging your readers. So if we want that readers can engage with us, then we can also use some call to action related what we can say content that includes download report, or what we can say particularly click for more details like this. And you just see on the page number 201 about the which are the 20 most common phrases on the LinkedIn. This includes some I would like to highlight. I would like to highlight some of the phrases. This includes successful people, right now, first time, job interview, best employees. So these are the list of what we can say most common phrases on LinkedIn. Then it also includes the top trending topics which are searched under the LinkedIn. We can see it on page 202 of our reference book. And this includes, I would like to highlight here again the 5 top trending topics. This includes social media, then real estate, big big data, then internet of things, then artificial intelligence, like this. So this is what about the most in demand content in industry insights. Now we are going to discuss about the second what we can say second strategy related to the content, that is time it well. We are required to provide the content online online, particularly in time, which is generally most in the time in which period generally our target can see it and read it very well. So far as the LinkedIn is concerned, LinkedIn has found their busiest times to be morning and midday throughout the weeks. So throughout the week, the busiest time under the LinkedIn is mornings and middays. And throughout the weekdays, it means that from Monday to Friday. Meaning that they have maximum reach in terms of clicks. So in terms of click is concerned, in terms of reading posts are concerned, and in terms of commenting are concerned, or liking post is concerned, this is the best period for using LinkedIn. So it is recommended to avoid the evenings, late afternoons and weekends. So if we would like to see the most effect effect of using LinkedIn, then we are required to avoid to post during evenings or late afternoons, or particularly during the weekend days. Of course, there is no one size fits all approach. Then advertisers must look at LinkedIn analytics to infer what the best times are to post for their target audience. So, as an means advertisers has to check that which is the best time for our target audience, and it will be checked through LinkedIn analytics. In LinkedIn analytics, we can find that who are our target audience, who are watching or reading our post in particular which time. So I think you have got clear concept about time it well under the content strategy. Then next is post at least. Here particularly at least. Now here we need to consider as at least. Post at least 20 times per month. According to Buffer app, 20 posts per month can help one reach 60% of their unique audience. So if we want to reach to our the 60% of our unique audience, then we are required to post at least 20 times per month. Unlike Facebook, LinkedIn doesn't have any algorithm to filter content that will appear in the user's feed. यूजर फीड में जो दिखाया जाता है, so far as the Facebook is concerned, we have already discussed that it is shown in the user's feed, but it through the algorithm, but it is not there under the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn's best in class marketers post 3 to 4 updates per day, and employees are 70% more likely to click, share and comment on an update than an ordinary LinkedIn users. तो कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉइज़ है वो ज़्यादा मीन्स 70% एम्प्लॉइज़ है जो ज़्यादा शेयर करते हैं, क्लिक करते हैं हमारे पोस्ट पर, तो हमें उससे कंसंट्रेट करना है. And that is why it is we have seen over there here that the timing period is of business hours, or particularly you can say business working hours. LinkedIn user, ordinary LinkedIn users है वो ज़्यादा what you can say click, share और comment नहीं देते हैं, but as we have discussed that 70% are from the employees. 70% are the employees of our organization who generally click, share and comment on the update. Hence, it is suggested to keep one's employees और कलीग्स विद इन वंस ओन नेटवर्क. तो हमें हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ और कलीग्स को हमारे नेटवर्क में ही रखना चाहिए, तभी हम हमारे पोस्ट को सक्सेसफुली हम कह सकते हैं कि हम हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट्स है वो अचीव कर पाएंगे. So this is what we discussed about the one of the strategy of related to the content strategy, that we are required to post at least 20 times per month. The next is create a showcase page. So here showcase is what which what we used for our what we can say home furniture, that the cupboard in which we put some things which is attractive or highlighted to the person who visit our home. But here also we consider same type of what we can say meaning, that here what happens that the showcase page is a page which is created by the company to show that which are the different products and services offered by them. So since LinkedIn is a professional network, the content has to be highly tailored according to the interest of the target audience. So the content should be which is there in the content must include that is interest to the target audience. One way of segmenting the content is by creating showcase pages under the corporate page. So corporate page के अंदर अगर हम 100 पेज क्रिएट करते हैं तो वो वे है through which we can able to reach to our target audience who are expecting, and accordingly the interested content is provided by us. A showcase page is built to enable the companies to market specific products and services to different audiences or potential buyers. It aims at targeting one customer segment and provides information that is relevant to them. So we can target and accordingly provide the relevant content to our target audience. Showcase pages get a large header image. So under pages we can get the large header image. हैव ए ब्लॉग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, उसका स्ट्रक्चर है वो ब्लॉग के हिसाब से होता है, जिस तरह ब्लॉग का स्ट्रक्चर होता है ऐसा ही उसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है. एंड कैन लिंक बैक टू द कंपनीज पेज, एंड उसमें ऐसा लिंक होता है कि जो हमें कंपनीज के पेज में वापस उसे ले जाता है जो ऑडियंस है उसे. So I think you have got clear concept that how creating a showcase page can leverage to our particularly content strategy or support to make our effective content strategy. So we see here that example or image of the HP company. Here we see that HP Labs means computer hardware, 2762 followers. Then HP Graphics Arts printing related, 2118 followers are there. And so we see here that HP highlighted the different products and services which are offered by them under the showcase page within the company page. Company page के अंदर में showcase page में उसको highlight किया गया है. So by this way they are providing the effective content to the audience as per their interest. The next is LinkedIn Pulse. LinkedIn Pulse is an online news aggregation feed within the platform. Platform के अंदर ही वो एक feed के हिसाब से दिया गया है. This what we can say unique feature is provided by LinkedIn. It is designed for LinkedIn account holders to share self-published content with their network. जो अपने खुद के नेटवर्क में अकाउंट होल्डर्स के लिए बनाया गया है, जो अपने खुद के नेटवर्क में अपना पोस्ट है वो शेयर कर सकते हैं. So this is a good way to build reputations, increase trust and reach a wider audience. अगर हमें wider audience तक पहुंचना है, trust build करना है, तो this is the best way. So we also see here that how particularly here Seema Gupta has used, means this is the author of our book, okay, digital marketing, has used the LinkedIn Pulse for the marketing purpose. So we see here that articles, particular article, 4 tips for effective official written communication by the Seema Gupta, and we see here the detail that 20 their networks are there, my networks are there, then received 7 messages, and notifications get is 9 like this, got is 9 like this. So this is also one of the content strategy. I think you have got clear concept about this. Thank you all.